So my name's Simon Smith. I'm the Senior Manager for our Custom and Bulk Chemical Services portfolio. So we translate our customers' needs into solutions, whether that's through our returnable containers portfolio or through our custom repack, custom testing or custom labelling programme. So where we really add value to our customers is really translating something to them that's a necessity specific to them. Whether it's something that's not available from our standard catalogue portfolio, we look to work with our customers to develop what they need to work with either in their production or laboratory workflow. We really work with our customers on a partnership level. So whether that's through our returnable drum fleet programme, with our returnable drum fleet manager, that allows that personal touch in terms of ensuring stock and security of supply. We also offer to our customers specific QC testing on our materials. We obviously have dedicated QC professionals that really understand what our customers need, and we're able to translate that into a product that makes sense for our customers.